Hello, welcome to Math Focus. We want to find the value of s from this given equation. 5 raised to power s is equal to 60. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 5 raised to power s is equal to 60. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 60. Then this is x log 5 is equal to log 60. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 5. This divided by log 5 and this divided by log 5. Log 5 cancel log 5 here. S is equal to log 60 over log 5. But 60 is equal to 12 multiplied by 5. Then we have S is equal to log 12 multiplied by 5 over log 5. If you have log A multiplied by B, this is equal to log A plus log B. S is equal to log 12 plus log 5 over log 5. X is equal to log 12 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5. Then from here, this log 5 cancel this log 5. S is equal to log 12 over log 5 plus 1. But 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. X is equal to log 4 multiplied by 3 over log 5 plus 1. S is equal to log 4 plus log 3 over log 5 plus 1. And this can be written as S is equal to 1 plus log 4 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. S is equal to 1 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 square over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Take note of this, that if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation here. 5 raised to power s is equal to 60. Then if s is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. We have 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 must be equal to 60. Then this is 5 raised to power 1 plus this can be written as log 2 square base 5 plus log 3 base 5 must be equal to 60. Then we have 5 raised to power 1. This is 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 2 square, that is log 4 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 must be equal to 60. Then if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Therefore, we have 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 4 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 must be equal to 60. Then 5 times 4, that is 20, multiplied by 3, 60 is equal to 60, which is true. Or alternatively, let's solve this in another way round. We have method 2. 5 raised to power s is equal to 60. Then you can take the natural log of both sides. We have ln of 5 raised to power s is equal to ln of 60. This is s. Ln of 5 is equal to ln of 60. But here we are going to use calculator directly. Let's see what will happen. Let's divide both sides by ln of 5. This divided by ln of 5. This ln of 5 cancel this ln of 5. We have s is equal to ln of 60 over ln of 5. But ln of 60 is equal to 4.0943, and ln of 5 is equal to 1.6094. Then s is equal to 4.0943 over 1.6094. Then s is equal to, if you divide 4.0943 by 1.6094, we have 2.54, and this is the value of s. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 raised to power s is equal to 60, and this is 5 raised to power 2.54 must be equal to 60, and 5 raised to power 2.54 is equal to 59.62. This is approximately 60. Therefore, the left hand side here, 60, is equal to the right hand side, 60, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.